How to fix enable to call on your Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix enable to call on your Imo application easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo. Once you are here, click on your profile icon and you're gonna find the last option, which is help and feedback. Click there, wait for a second. Once you are here, you have call. Click on it. And now scroll down, you're gonna find enable to call the second before the last. Click on it. And here they're gonna give you some advices. Call method, network issues, update, Imo to the latest version, clean mobile cache, then reboot device, network restriction. Follow those steps. At the end, if doesn't work, click on the X icon. If this works, click on the check icon. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.